Hey everyone, today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of Notion versus Taskade, two of the most popular productivity tools out there. Whether you're managing tasks, collaborating with a team, or organizing knowledge, choosing the right platform can seriously boost your efficiency. So, which one comes out on top? Let's find out. Ease of use. First, let's talk about ease of use. Notion is incredibly powerful, offering endless customization options for notes, databases, and workflows, but that power comes with a steep learning curve. New users might feel overwhelmed at first. On the other hand, Taskade is beginner-friendly. You can get started in just a couple of minutes, whether you're working solo or with a team. For quick adoption and simplicity, Taskade clearly has an edge. Calendar integration and task management. When it comes to task management, Taskade shines with features like syncing tasks to Google Calendar, which is a big plus for keeping your schedule in check. Plus, it provides a centralized My Task view so you can see all your projects in one place. Notion doesn't have native calendar syncing, which means you'll need workarounds to track deadlines efficiently. If staying organized across multiple projects is a priority, Taskade makes life easier. Team communication tools. Next up, team collaboration. Taskade comes with built-in video calls and screen sharing, making real-time collaboration seamless. Notion, however, doesn't have native communication features, so teams often rely on third-party apps for chat or video meetings. For anyone who needs an all-in-one solution for both task management and communication, Taskade clearly pulls ahead. Finally, let's compare their free plans. Taskade offers more collaboration features without any cost, supporting unlimited users on free teams. Notion, while generous, limits free teams to just 5 users, which can be restrictive for larger groups or growing teams. So, which tool is better? If you want power and flexibility, Notion is a solid choice, but it takes time to master. If you want ease of use, seamless task management, team communication, and better free plan features, Taskade is the winner. Whether you're a solo creator or a team looking to streamline workflows, Taskade offers a faster, more collaborative experience right out of the box. That's it for today's comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tool comparisons. Which one do you prefer, Notion or Taskade? Let us know in the comments below.